Hi viewers, in this tutorial video, I will be tutoring you on how to solve a simultaneous equation. Basically, there are three methods of solving a simultaneous equation, which include the substitution method, the elimination method, and graphical method. And as well, you may like to know what is a simultaneous equation or what a simultaneous equation is. A simultaneous equation is an equation with two variables taken together, as you can see. Now, we'll be focusing on the substitution method. In this particular tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to solve using the substitution method, and in subsequent videos, I will show you how to solve using the elimination method. Now, let's focus on this example. We have here 8x minus y is equals to 4, which is the equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equals to 14, which is the equation 2. Now, after that, what do you do next? We make y the subject of the formula, just like what we did here. And we now say 8x minus 4 is equals to y. How? When a positive number crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative. And when a negative number crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive. So in this case, 4 is a positive number and it crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative. So now we have 8x minus 4 is equals to y. Now, as the name implies, the substitution method, it implies that we should put 8x minus 4 is equals to y in equation 2. That is, substitute 8x minus 4 is equals to y in equation 2. Meaning wherever you see y, you substitute it with 8x minus 4. And that is just what we have done here. 2x plus 3, where we had bracket 8x minus 4, which represent this y, is equals to 14. And then you simplify. 2x plus 3 times 8x is 24x. And 3 times minus 4 is minus 12 is equals to 14. And then you say, you collect like terms here. Say 2x plus 24x is equals to 26x. Minus 12 will cross the equality sign since it is in like terms with 14, which does not have any variable attached to it. Minus 12 crosses the equality sign and becomes positive. And then we can now say 26x is equals to 14 plus 12. Remember, minus 12 cross the equality sign and it becomes positive. And we can now say 26x is equals to 14 plus 12 is equals 14 plus 12 is equals to 26. So now we can now say you can make x the subject of the formula by dividing 26x through by 26. And when you divide 26x through by 26, you are left with x is equals to 26 divided by 26. And therefore we can now say x is equals to 1. Now we have now found the value of x. In order to find the value of y, we now say put x is equals to 1 in equation 2. That is, substitute x is equals to 1 in equation 2, meaning wherever you see x, substitute it with 1. So now we can say 2. Remember, we had 2x plus 3y is equals to 14. We can now say 2 bracket 1, which represents x, plus 3y is equals to 14. Thereafter, you simplify, which is 2 times 1 gives you 2, plus 3y is equals to 14 minus 14 minus, remember the minus 2, we call it like terms. 2 will cross the equality sign. Since 2 is a positive number, it crosses the equality sign to the negative side and it becomes minus 2, which we have here. We can now say 3y is equals to 14 minus 2 is what? 12. And we then say make y the subject of the formula. Making y the subject of the formula, this is the process we go through. You divide 3y all over 3, and 3y cancels 3, 3 cancels 3, and you're left with y is equals to 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. We have 4 here. and we can now say our y is equals to 4. Now therefore our x is equals to 1 and our y is equals to 4. Now to check if our answers are correct, you fix the answers to its appropriate variables in the equation. Remember our first equation, 8x minus y is equals to 4. 8x minus y is equals to 4. So we say, remember x was 1, y was 4. So say 8 times 1 is 8. Remember y was 4. So you can now say 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. And the second equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 14. Remember x was 1 and y was 4. We say 2 times 1, 2, plus 3 times 4, 12 is equals to 14. So if you add 12 plus 2 is equals to 14, which means our answers are correct. Therefore, we can now say x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4, which is actually the correct answer. So that is our answer for this particular simultaneous equation using the substitution method. Thanks for watching. I really hope you have understand what I have done here, and I believe you will put it into practice when you're taught or when you're asked to solve. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe in order to get more of our videos. Thank you very much for watching.